this is an entertainment TV station, so we need to enjoy some more entertainment. Please put your hands together as I bring on stage one of the youngest voices on sports here in the city of Abuja. Make some noise for Adehala, Dr. Kofoko.
After the reggae, play the blues, the blues. Make you do as I do.
All right.
I do.
All right, thank you then. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, while they were playing that documentary, I was not really interested in anything other than the data. Because some of us don't lose our wives because of data. Now they will come back. We'll buy this decoder, we'll on the data, we'll call them to come. Now we have what they need. I'm happy. You now know what is going on today. These other people, they've ripped us off. And we don't complete tire, no action. Sometimes we they frustrate for them, they carry and go for president head as if now they work there. Now when your subscription expire, now you go to watch advert like movie. Only you go to watch Chinese music movie. No, they hear them, but they laugh. No poverty not good though. If your DSTV expire for 2 months, you can't no say advert get storyline. Only you can think advert. Say, wow, these people are shooting well. They are advertising for good. Poverty, Ibado, and anybody will not get money, they can vest for nothing. You never see a poor man they rake for ATM. They always stay back because they don't want me to know how much they withdraw. And you know, rich men, this is the ATM cannot give you more than 10,000. So sometimes some people want to remove 100,000, so they withdraw like 10 times. Then the poor man we want to withdraw 1.5 day back. We want to buy kerosene. If they wait, you go they withdraw. Now only for back they shout, "Ah, wow! Now let you there. You won't finish the money. Now wow! Some people if they enter government they go worse pass barrier. Say as only in they withdraw. And when you go, you can't look you as if now money you withdraw. Poverty, very bad. And I tell people are complaining, government, this, government, that. No, that is not our problem. You can't tell us to fight now. It's not possible. Unless you've never taken time, even though we know witness them. Go and read about it. July 1967 to 15 January 1970. It was bloody. We don't want to pass through that road again. That road is bad. It's bad. It's a bad road. We cannot go back there. Nigeria is not the best, but Nigeria is not the worst. We cannot kill ourselves. All we need to do is to make sure we bear and we help. Since when Buhari enter, Ogala is here. I will say it. Since when he enter, people don't they get conscience now. If you notice now, people know they took quarrel for bus stop again. Nigerians are now responsible. Before a person match you, go to shout, "Do you know who I am? Do you? Where's my ID card? Do you know?" Now who get? Nobody who chop the shout. Now if you match person, I need to apologize, my brother. Sorry, it's not my intention. I was passing. Yeah? Who get power to shout? Before this kind of table now, you go see men go bring Gogolada guests. Children will reach to be their daughters. Now see men are responsible. If they cannot come with their wife, they come alone. I see you, my neighbor. People are responsible now. I see you, my neighbor, tell the wife, say, "Honey, dress up, we are going out." The wife can't, you don't they pray for this because the man know they carry and come out. And you know women, when she can't they dress all this deeper life dressing. They tie hair, they tie wrapper. The man can't because nobody saw a girlfriend they dress. Now the man say, "No, honey, this is not what you should wear. Dress like Tatiana." Now the man say, "Eh? Tagini? Tahu?" He says, "Sorry, it's Telemundo." Now what to deliver man? That time, see this kind of event now, you go see like 16 table. Everybody will carry Brazilian hair. 70,000 plot of land for woman hair. Now, if you see women, they do team natural. Everybody now they use the hand calling her. Everybody. Things not normal. Well, as you see person drink, come drunk. Now lie yo. Now people they meditate upon one bottle. Yeah? Forget things the normal. Now you dey see elderly men they play betting. Responsible servants. They play match whether they play for Romania, for Nigeria. Say I beg give Stoa Bucharest and Dynamo Bucharest go. Hey, no go there. People go just they shout. No power to shout. No power. People now they slim fit their suit where they buy before, make their feet. No time. I dey tell you. See people wey bleach before now they black back. Nigerians now don't they transform like God wey go mountain. People they black go. See our musicians now. How many of them? Some of them now don't they sell rat medicine. Africa Channel and a DJ. Things. People are, and you know, we're talking about TV stations. Those days in Benin. That 97, 96. Not be now. TV stations don't improve well. For Benin, our TV station are ITV. Igbenedion. They get 6 adverts where you must hear for that TV station. Whether they pay, they not pay, will they play? If you just do like this in the night, you hear from the Uyi Technical Vasivotamo, the company where they get the money nyafu. As our parts go here, Ogbende boutique for today man and woman, Ogbende boutique for all type of cloth and for your accessories, Ogbende boutique. As I finish go here, Iyare Motors, Ide go, Ide come, Iyare Motors, Ide. As I finish go here, Humber line, West Away, your line ain't good pass, your driver they code they come back, your boss is not here, rubber new chassis. I know say Benin every Friday person must die. If person not die, they kill him. Because they get adult for Benin when a burial fruit that they grow from small picking till they grow. Every Friday, rice must fall out. In all game, want to be. So steady our TV, they get burial advert. As you just sit there and go, yeah, God be with you till we meet again. We, the family of Osadiaye Oserowe, wishes to announce the passing away of our father, grandfather, and great-grandfather. He survived with 13 children. 10 are here, 3 are based abroad. Ireti Osadiaye, Italy. Agbonfure Osadiaye, Canada. Urobosa Osadiaye, Germany. God be with you till we meet again. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. My name is Koboko Master.